All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Rockstead Hizen here with me for a maintenance video because this, it's a little bit stiff. I mean, you can flick it open, but you need to, we're gonna see what we can do. I'm not sure, this is brand new. It's a fantastic one. And I mean, just check out the black mirror going on this blade. Really cool indeed. And also what is super cool is that you're basically gonna need just a T10 for the handle screw, which is this fella right over here. They are blacked out, so just be careful. This looks Loctited, so I'm just gonna start maybe from this one. All right, so when that's happening, I'm just switching to this little fella over here because I need more torque for sure. So this guy, there you go. And this is one, and it's out, almost. I want to use the screwdriver the least amount possible, and here we got, just make sure you're all the way down. This was a tight pivot, I'm telling you, with no Loctite whatsoever, so that's good. And we are done. So like that, just gently pull the blade out. All right, just be gentle because there's some tension here. I'm just wiggling gently the scale. Let me see what I'm missing. Nothing. So I'm just gonna try and pry very gently because the back, oh okay, all right, this came out nicely. And there you go. So pretty straightforward construction here. We're gonna need a little bit of rubbing alcohol like that for just to get rid of some gunk that I'm seeing here right away on the blade. You got some black, even the lube is black. So this is one washer, phosphorus, bronze, and that's the second one, and that's out. Here we got bushing pivot, Sepenza style. You got the pivot, you got this ring around the pivot, and that's it basically. So no bearings, no shenanigans here. We are rocking and rolling on washers. And then this is an aluminum, blacked out aluminum. I think it's coated, there's a coating on this aluminum frame, super light, no internal skeletonization. There is a lock bar insert, by the way, and we're gonna just clean everything out from this blade here. Nice. Then I'm gonna use there you go. So that is done. I'm using a second cloth because this blade deserves a clean one, like that. There you go. Because there's a little bit of oil residue on the other one. So now we are clean. And we're gonna do and clean at the ending. So rubbing alcohol is done. Here we've got that's the bushing pivot back. Let's do the washers with 1 and 2 drops of nano oil. And we're gonna do, you know what, 1 drop like there, and then we're gonna cover with this washer, and we're gonna do another like there, and that is it. And then we are business, guys. Oh, let's do just a little bit of 85 weight nano oil on the detent ball, like so, and that is it. So this guy goes back in place like that. I'm just gonna do this pivot first. I'm just gonna go all the way down. We're gonna tune it in a second. Nope, not there. So this is beautiful, guys. I'm not a fan of this kind of pocket clip. It's absolutely functional, I get it, but I'm just saying it's not my favorite pocket clip style. So okay, let me tighten this guy a little bit more down. So I noticed when I got this that the blade was a little bit off center. Okay. And it's brand new, so and also I'm gonna use this, which is the best for this kind of blade. Guys, this blade is just ridiculous. Wow, wow, wow. Incredible. Look at that. Look at this shininess. Fantastic. So this is basically how you take care and maintain and clean up your Hizen from Rockstead. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.